911.
Yes, FedEx facility. Our building's been hit by tornado.
Okay. Are you in it?
Yes.
Okay.
There's probably 30 to 40 people here.
Okay, what is the
We're
address?
sitting for them now.
What is the address?
What's the address here, Bass? Bass, we're on Portage Road. What's the address here?
Are you
What's the address here?
6701?
6701 Portage Road.
People are still inside?
Pardon me?
People are still inside? Sir.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
People are still inside?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm searching for people right now.
Don't put yourself in harm. You said 30 to 40 people?
Yep.
Okay. Do you know if any of them are injured?
I don't know. I'm looking for them right now.
Okay. We will have people en route, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.